Hello everyone, my name is Martin, I'm the founder of DartaTech, and in this video I will tell you more about what we do. DartaTech is an e-commerce platform where you can build your online store and start selling online. You can sell everything on DartaTech. It can be physical or digital product, you can do dropshipping as well, subscription, print on demand. Like if you want to sell something online, you can do it with DartaTech. And even if Shopify or eCommerce already existed, I still decided to start DartaTech because I had some ideas on how I could improve on a few things. So let's go. What is DartaTech? The first thing about us is that we are a no-code platform. So you will never need a developer and you will never need to code yourself. You can build and manage your store without any technical knowledge. At DartaTech, we will handle all the tech for you, which include maintenance, updates, hosting, security, loading speed of your store, and so on. So you can focus on your business and your sales only. We manage the rest. Then the next important part is the design of your store. At DartaTech, we believe that you should have a store that looks like you and only you. It's your brand, it's your company, and you should not look like anyone else. So you need to be able to customize your store easily so you can strengthen your brand, try new things, or even adapt your design to a different period of the year like Christmas or Black Friday, for example. So on DartaTech, you will have what we call the visual builder. It's a drag and drop editor where what you see is what you get. So you can easily create the design that you want and have a store that looks like you and only you. We have more than 250 themes that you can start with, and all of them are free, so you can pick a theme and then customize it to your brand. Or if you feel like a designer, you can even start from a blank page and create your own custom design. Now, what about the features? DartaTech, we have more than 100 applications, they are all free, and on top of that, we often add new ones. So you can build the store that you want, and then you will be able to improve your store and add more features along your e-commerce journey. And thanks to this feature, your store will bring you more sales. So for example, you can do photo reviews, bundles, subscription, one-page checkout. Like we have a lot of things available, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is features that will increase your sales. We wrote a full guide to help you with that, so no worries, you can check that later. Then, what about the daily management of your activity? So you can manage your store and your sales directly from the dashboard. You will be able to see your sales, your orders, you can add your product, write blog article, and so on. And you can access everything in just a few clicks and easily manage your online business. Then regarding the price on DartaTech, we have only one subscription and it starts at only $29 a month. And this includes absolutely everything. All our themes are free, all our applications are free, and also we don't take any commission on your sales. You can create as much product, pages, blog article as you want. You can also have as much administrator account as you want for you and your team. And there's absolutely no limits, and everything is included into our subscription. Then if you need any help, so first of all, we have built a tutorial website where you will be able to find a lot of useful resources. And also our team is available via live chat just here on our website. So if you need anything or if you have any questions, please reach out to us and we'll be super happy to help you. Today we have most of our merchants who switched from Shopify or from WooCommerce to DartaTech, and we have small stores with just a few products and large stores with thousands of products and a lot of sales. So feel free to test our platform. We have a free trial, and once again, if you have any questions, we are here to help. Finally, on this channel, we share tips and case studies to help you sell online. We publish new videos every week, so you can subscribe to receive them. And I hope DartaTech will help you sell online. So I will see you soon. Bye bye.